The Gin and Tonic is a refreshing and classic cocktail that combines the botanical flavors of gin with the crispness of tonic water. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces gin. Choose a quality gin to enhance the flavors. 4 to 6 ounce tonic water. Use a premium tonic water for the best taste. 1 wedge lime. Fresh lime for garnish and a citrusy kick. Ice cubes, enough to fill the glass. For equipment you will need highball glass, jigger or small measuring tool, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Fill a highball glass with ice cubes. Pour 2 ounces of gin over the ice. Add 4 to 6 ounces of tonic water to the glass. Adjust the amount based on your taste preference. Gently stir the mixture with a bar spoon to combine. Squeeze a wedge of lime into the drink and then drop it in as a garnish. The gin and tonic was first introduced by the British East India Company in India during the 19th century. Tonic water originally contained quinine, which was used to prevent malaria. To mask its bitter taste, British officers began mixing it with gin.